If you feel you are successful, people consider you successful, but you are not happy. Inside you feel something is missing in you. You are not able to enjoy your success. You have to learn. You have to become very clear about your personal issues. What is the axis of your life around which you want to revolve? Once your vision and mission is clear, you have to find what is your goal. Say in the coming 5 years, what you want to achieve, keeping in view your overall missions. You can be happy. You have also to learn when you are doing anything, you are performing anything, your state of being is not. Once you do these things, you can start enjoying your life. And when you enjoy there, then things happen effortlessly. Your health will improve. Your relationship will improve. That is the secret.